The Massivit 10,000 automates tooling for composite manufacturing. This cutting-edge additive manufacturing system enables direct casting with high-performance materials to dramatically speed up tooling. Introducing the world's first isotropic 3D printed mold. The Massivit 10,000 empowers composite material manufacturers to produce custom molds, tools, mandrels, plugs, jigs, and fixtures within a matter of days instead of weeks. The Massivit 10,000 shortens your mold production workflow from 19 steps down to 4 simple steps and eliminates the need for a plug. So, how does it work? The Massivit 10,000 utilizes a dual head system to directly print and cast molds. Based on an initial CAD design, the first head 3D prints an outer sacrificial shell at high speed. The second head intermittently casts a thermoset material into that shell as it builds. The shell is comprised of 2 thin walls made of water-breakable photopolymer material that polymerizes instantly under ultraviolet light. The thermoset material forms a solid, isotropic mold. The mold can then be post-cured in an oven to improve its mechanical properties at elevated temperatures. It is then simply immersed in a bath of plain water, causing the shell to crumble away. The Massivit 10,000 offers near-net shape casting. The mold can be post-finished manually or machined as needed. Your high-temp, high-performance isotropic mold is now ready for use within less than a week. Benefit from advanced casting materials that ensure consistent mechanical and thermal properties across all axes. Discover digital tooling for a wide range of industries including maritime, automotive, rail, defense, aerospace, sporting goods, and bathware. Join the digital revolution with the award-winning Massivit 10,000 additive tooling system, offering automated, high-speed tooling for composite manufacturing.